Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to all. My love no all and me see all on the comment. And this young lady was saying she wanna send me some funds. Baby, it's alright. Things not really so easy, but me alright at the same time. Right and off a rush for seminar funds right now. And nothing like that. And first I start straight out some papers. My papers have been stolen, my identity. So I straight out and all of that, right? But thanks anyway. Wanna pick up on yourself, pick up on yourself, pick up on yourself. Taranta, England, Guyana, Trinidad, Jamaica, Grenada. Yes, Brooklyn and Queens and Bronx. All in Hawaii, Italy, Europe. Yes, all over the place, you know. Yeah, wanna pick up on yourself. Yeah, man, me say me love Negril. And you know, when I went to Jamaica back in 1999, put some crackers in the plate. Ah, Jesus. Yeah, bring crackers then. Hope you're not getting fat again. But we went to Jamaica back in 1999 on the grill. Don't get it nice, man. Me enjoy myself, me I tell you. Don't get it really, really nice also. Price I get cold up. Fuck. Don't get it really, really nice. Me enjoy myself. Don't they? Yeah, man, me enjoy myself. Don't they, man? You must spread the price on top of the crackers. Right? And people jealous of them try to kill her. A mad girl and applies me. Kind of me want to share the kitchen. Anyway. Like me say me got Negril, them time they did nice. Them time they did real nice when me got a Negril. I mean, not proud of it, but we try to get one work downtown Brooklyn. For the waitress in, come to sell popcorn and soda. And I see the flex soda in Manhattan. I never have enough hours, so I try to make up my hours. My little sister, she gone. Say, she go down to get waitressing job and it pay good. So I go after her, go down and go get a job. But when I go down there, the Italian man tell me, say, they don't no more waitressing job, but they can't use me for a dancer. And I tell him, say, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir, I never dance. I strip my clothes in my life. I can't do it. You take me one side and say, you have a beautiful body. You'll make a lot of money here. You know, just pretend you're dancing for your boyfriend in a dark room. Don't put anything on your mind. Please go and just go and try it and then push me. I go in a dressing room, I saw a woman and call her Penny. She was a big fat black woman with a big ass. She was a dancer when she was young. She not dance anymore, but she fix your hair and she rent gowns, shoes or anything you want. She have them there, you could rent them from her. Ma, don't put me on an aisle board. I'm telling me what age. Almost close to 20 or 20. I didn't catch 28. I didn't catch 28. Show me. So go on. And then pull up me here was an afro and then put one flowers in it to the side. And put me on the stage. Me have on the boat. And the sitting when they put me in a one piece of top thing there. And my breast them flat like a 90-year-old woman. And I just wobble my two little leg them because I was like 100 pounds then. And skinny and very dark skin. Because I'm very dark skin. I phone a bleaching cream now. And I tell you so I start to dance. The man them start to hungry like they want to eat me alive. Come over here and start throw up my money. I'm so glad to come to see money like that in my life, you see. I made have a plastic bag with me, you know, a scandal bag. Made us reach for all the money and start to load up the scandal bag. And I take up the money and I wasn't dancing. So the manager called me over to the side and said, you have to dance. You can't just pick up the money and pick up the money. And walk when I pick up money from church. You got to dance and keep moving and dance, moving, pick up the money, dance, keep moving. More money could come. So that night, me keep dancing. When me done work, me make $1,600. Me say, shit, big money. But me still never happy about it. When me go home, I see a piece of music in my ears, I ring same way. Boy, me tell like a demons around me night, me couldn't get no sleep because me feel so guilty. But anyway, the next day, me get up and me say, alright, me buy me some sexy little clothes. I'm going back to make more money. I'm going for the kill. Me ask somebody where go and get hot clothes and something. Then so go on West 4th Street. One place I call West 4th Street on the A train. And we went. And boy, I'm have all kind of thing I can think of in the village. You get the nicest biggish boot, crazy shoes that you don't see nowhere else, but they're expensive. And dress and everything, you can get everything over there. But I never mind because I make the money. The money I make, I could have one buy what I want, I buy with it. I go, I buy all kind of sit in a wig. I come now. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Hi, Fantasia, how are you? What I'm doing today, like what? Maybe later, I'm not too sure. What's up? Hmm? What you say? You want to know if I'm going to work today? Why you want to come and watch my jewelry for me? Why you looking for money? What you saying? You want to watch it on... What you're saying, I don't understand what you're saying. You're saying that if I'm coming to work today, you're going to come and watch your stuff for me, watch my back, and I give you a couple dollars? That's what you're saying? If I can? How come you don't have no money? How come you don't have no money? So how come you're sending money for your boyfriend in jail and you don't have no money? You know what I'm saying? I know, but you're waiting for him to come back out and you don't even try to get something to do to help yourself. Every time I hear from you, it's all about money. Me help you a couple times and give you money, but me not have money, so me poor. I try to help everybody. Me want homeless man, him come out there. Every time I out there, I give him $5 or $3 every single day. I give money every single day. I never feed him because him not nobody. But what I'm saying, when me see you look good and your nails done and my nails not done. You get your nails done, your money can't get your nails done. Shit, me not want to get my nails done. And you always call me uncle when you need money. Me don't understand why. Me not hear from you all this rest of time. You have to go cook now, you run. You hang up, you're gone. Hello? This motherfucker, hello? Now bumbo clot, you see this? What do you see I rent out place in your house to people? Your fucking bathtub dirty. Your fucking kitchen dirty. Your whole place look a blood clot, mess like a crackhead. Nothing no good in your place. You don't have one piece of good furniture in your house. Everything dirty. If you're a young woman, your house dirty like that. Me agree, so me live on like a bang and pan and chaka place. And me agree that. I may catch the man, but me go soon get my own. As me get some money, I'm going to get my own place. What I'm saying, because I like to have my own things. So you understand me? Everybody like to have them own. You're supposed to have a one place of government to pay the rent for you and your place looks so. Whole per bucket full of post shit. Not even a curtain there your window. No good bed, your mattress dirty. The whole bed then brought down. The couch dirty. Nothing no good in your place. Not even like one sanitary thing look good in your place. Nothing like so, nothing in your place. Not even like you have pot in your motor. And the place are dirty. And you come every time I talk about money and watch back. You're on a blood clot security. When you become security for me, Me not understand that. When you become security for me, you have your man in jail, you take up your little money, you get your son go give him. Your son go give him. And you come outside and know say you have to eat because you're sick, you must be diabetic. You go come and come tell me about call me want to know me outside and you will come and watch you give me a couple of dollars. Me watch myself, me not have that much shit on my table. When me have a hustle off and live off. When a young woman ridiculous on herself. When you get up and pick up man and pick him up in our life. And pick up all kind of man and when the man gone to prison and beat on like a rass and yam on out. And on the money like a save on have when take a spend pan blood card, hood up in a pussy. And when the hood gone to jail now. When you come and call the people and walk up and look for money for borrow when you don't no fucking payback. And when you don't carry on this kind of way. People not have time for the nonsense and the bullshit. Every dollar comes to me. Me not have it. Me broke like a dog. I'm still try to go on every time. And every time I have it, I give. And the next homeless man me come, me feed him. Me try this one come, they want $10 for borrow. They want $20. Nobody pay me back. What me supposed to do? Fucking thief or take hold? This is ridiculous, man. Come on. If y'all don't want to be friends with me, so be it. What I was talking about? Shit. Me never remember which part me that talk about, you know. I love nigger. When you get to Westford Street, you get everything you want to buy. And I come back downtown. And I sitting at the job and decide to make a work. I make all $5,000 a night. Dancing. A pair of rich people come in. It was run by the mafias. My little sister working as a waitress, I work as a dancer. I see all kind of girl up in there. Girl from Philippines. Girl from Europe. All kind of girl. That one big breast girl I used to call her Melanie. Breast them big. You come back to the man and get money. The girl get them toe done and everything. I mean, have can't permit to. I used to buy PLS cheap boot. And wear. I used to like ears, but some of them burn up a foot and bust up a foot at PLS. So, them trash out and I go buy nice shoes and trash out for my foot, but remember I have some can. But me real black and skinny, so the competition was up there and I can have a different look. I have no fear, I just look different. So I make enough money, man. The end of the night now, what are we line up? Because we forget pay. You get a ticket for lap dance or you dance at champagne room. We have a bucket of champagne for $150. Plus I get tip. Every time I mind buy a bucket of champagne for so long and talk to you. And you talk with him. As soon as you so long I talk to him, I talk with him. You see the time I come like 30 minutes, I go up. You get up and start dance. So you change your mind about one if you want 30 more minutes. And so you're taking card and carry out and charging card and bring it back to him and charge him again. So at the end of the night, I will collect all those money from the credit card that you make. From drinks, from lap dance, and from private dance. Anyway. Like y'all them line up, you know. The winner back line me there. The manager named Buster. And Buster come out and say, Jamaica! You made the most money here tonight, Jamaica. Come over here. And I walk over there. And Buster hand me my envelope. With a whole heap of $1,000 in there. Bitches looking at me with envy. And I thought, well, look how I foot them ugly. Look how I told them I've gone. Buster say, Jamaica, make sure your corn is showing through your shoes. I think it's something about them why you're making a lot more money and these girls here are talking about you. I was a great dancer. Great dancer. I say great dancer, great dancer. When I used to dance and my young people move, great dancer. I was a great dancer. I'm 42 now. When you see me dance, at this age, so imagine how many young when I dance. And they love me off. down there, but it was a